The world of technology is constantly evolving. One of the most fascinating and rapidly developing fields is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI already plays a significant role in our lives. It powers our smartphones, recommends products, and even helps diagnose diseases. But within AI, there's a concept even more profound: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI represents the next stage of AI development. It aims to create machines that possess human-like intelligence. Imagine a computer that can think, learn, and solve problems just like a person. That's the ultimate goal of AGI. This essay explores the exciting world of AGI. We will delve into what AGI is, how it differs from current AI, and its potential impact on our future. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of AGI and explore its potential to revolutionize our world. Artificial General Intelligence, often called AGI, signifies a type of artificial intelligence that goes beyond specialized tasks. Unlike current AI systems designed for specific purposes like playing chess or filtering spam, AGI aims for broader intelligence. AGI seeks to create machines capable of performing any intellectual task that a human being can. Imagine a single AGI system that could write a novel, compose a symphony, design a scientific experiment, and engage in a philosophical debate, all with human-like proficiency. This versatility and adaptability are the hallmarks of AGI, setting it apart from the specialized AI we see today. The development of AGI is driven by a desire to replicate the remarkable cognitive abilities of the human mind. It's a pursuit that pushes the boundaries of computer science, neuroscience, and cognitive psychology, aiming to unlock the secrets of intelligence itself. To truly grasp the significance of AGI, it's crucial to understand how it differs from the AI we interact with daily. This prevalent form of AI, often referred to as narrow AI or weak AI, is designed for specific tasks. These AI systems excel in their designated areas but lack the general intelligence of humans. Think of a chess-playing AI. It can defeat grandmasters but can't apply its strategic thinking to, say, composing music or writing code. Similarly, a spam filter can efficiently sort emails but can't understand the content of those emails or engage in a conversation about them. AGI, in contrast, aims to break free from these limitations. It strives to create machines that possess general cognitive abilities, allowing them to learn, adapt, and apply their knowledge across diverse domains, much like the human brain. This fundamental difference in scope and capability sets AGI on a different trajectory from narrow AI. The potential applications of AGI are vast and diverse. With its human-like cognitive abilities, AGI could revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. Imagine AGI developing innovative solutions to complex global challenges like climate change or poverty. In healthcare, AGI could analyze vast data sets to accelerate medical breakthroughs and personalize treatments. In education, it could tailor learning experiences to individual needs, making education more engaging and effective. Furthermore, AGI could automate tasks across industries, from manufacturing to customer service, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. The possibilities seem limitless, with AGI poised to reshape our world in profound ways. Section 5, AGI versus human intelligence, a comparative look. While AGI aims to replicate human-like intelligence, it's essential to understand the distinctions between the two. Human intelligence is characterized by its adaptability, creativity, and emotional depth, qualities that have evolved over millennia. AGI, in its current conceptual stage, lacks these innate human characteristics. While it can process information and learn at remarkable speeds, it lacks the emotional intelligence, consciousness, and subjective experiences that define human thought. However, the pursuit of AGI prompts us to examine the nature of intelligence itself. As we strive to create machines that think like humans, we gain a deeper understanding of our own cognitive processes and the essence of what makes us human. Section 6, Current Progress and Research in AGI. The development of AGI is still in its early stages. While we've made significant strides in narrow AI, creating machines with general intelligence remains a complex challenge. Researchers are exploring various approaches, including deep learning, reinforcement learning, and evolutionary algorithms. Deep learning, inspired by the structure of the human brain, involves training artificial neural networks on massive datasets. Reinforcement learning focuses on training agents to make decisions in complex environments through trial and error. Evolutionary algorithms mimic natural selection, optimizing solutions over generations. Despite these efforts, a clear path to AGI remains elusive. The human brain's intricate workings, with its billions of neurons and trillions of connections, pose significant hurdles in our quest to replicate its capabilities. Section 7. Potential benefits and applications of AGI. The development of AGI holds immense potential for transforming various aspects of our lives. From revolutionizing healthcare and education to tackling global challenges, AGI has the potential to unlock solutions that have long eluded us. Imagine AGI collaborating with scientists to develop new drugs and therapies, accelerating medical breakthroughs and improving human health. Envision AGI optimizing energy grids, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, and mitigating the effects of climate change. Moreover, AGI could automate tedious and repetitive tasks, freeing up human potential for more creative and fulfilling endeavors. The possibilities are vast, and the benefits of AGI, if harnessed responsibly, could be transformative for humanity. Section 8. Concerns and risks associated with AGI. While the potential benefits of AGI are significant, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the potential risks associated with such powerful technology. One of the primary concerns is the issue of control and alignment with human values. Ensuring that AGI remains aligned with our ethical principles and goals is paramount. As AGI becomes more sophisticated, it's crucial to establish safeguards to prevent unintended consequences and ensure its actions benefit humanity. Additionally, there are concerns about the economic and societal impacts of widespread AGI adoption. As AGI automates jobs across various sectors, it's essential to address potential workforce displacement and ensure a smooth transition to an AGI-driven economy. Section 9. Conclusion: the future of AGI. The pursuit of artificial general intelligence is a journey into uncharted territory. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to understand and replicate the marvels of our own intelligence. While the path to AGI is filled with challenges, the potential rewards are immense. As we continue to explore the frontiers of AI, it's crucial to proceed with caution and foresight. Open dialogue, ethical considerations, and collaboration across disciplines will be vital in navigating the development and deployment of AGI responsibly. The future of AGI is a story yet to be written. By embracing a thoughtful and cautious approach, we can strive to harness the transformative power of AGI for the betterment of humanity and create a future where humans and machines coexist and thrive together.